My name is Natalia Smith. I am Design Director for Commercial and Distribution for HMTX. Today we're going to talk about the abstract designs within the Déjà New portfolio. In looking at the colors in the Alleyway collection, I noticed that we were going more dark and a little bit more on the gray side, and then we also had our really bright pops of color. So what I developed was a light, natural, neutral color, as well as a gray that can tend a little bit warm and a little bit cool at the same time. And that way we have two new colors that can act as a really nice field to then add in the brighter pops of color for wayfinding or color blocking. Belgium Weave is a classic linen design, and it has added some real character and color to the portfolio. In the new colors, we have two neutrals. One is a coolish gray, and the other is really a natural neutral, very light. And what's really great about it is that both of them work very well with all of the wood grains. And then we've also introduced a blue and a yellow. The blue is kind of on the inky side without going too dark, and the yellow is more of an earthen type of yellow, and again, not too dark. It was really important to add just a touch of color, a hint of color, usable color, and I really believe that the blue and the yellow are very usable. The Belgium Weave collection can work on its own. And you can even do kind of color blocking within the pattern for an entire install, or it can pair nicely with woods or the terrazzos or even with Alleyway.